Hello guys, welcome to Leaf Geeks. This is Sushma. WhatsApp is undoubtedly the most used messaging app globally, and let me tell you all that it has a user base of 1.6 billion all over the world. As per the company, the app witnesses nearly 60 million messages sent every day globally. The social networking giant Facebook has acquired WhatsApp in the year 2014, and in order to increase the revenue and the user base, it has also introduced the web WhatsApp version, which means you can actually use your WhatsApp on your system. Many of us have different WhatsApp accounts, and it is quite easy to use these accounts on your smartphone, but many of us don't know how you can actually use multiple accounts on the same browser. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you guys few easy steps to use your WhatsApp accounts, different WhatsApp accounts on the same browser. First, you have to open www.web.whatsapp.com on your web browser and also on the smartphone or a tablet. Once done, you got to scan the QR code that appears on your screen with the help of the tablet or a smartphone to start using WhatsApp web account. Now, in order to open a different WhatsApp account on the same PC, you have to open a new tab, then paste this link dyn.web.whatsapp.com and click enter. Once done with this, you will see the same screen with another QR code. Now you got to scan this QR code using your WhatsApp account and voila, you're done. Now you can use another WhatsApp account in the same browser. So that's it guys, hope the video was helpful, and do let me know if you guys know something about this and if I missed out on something in the comment section below, and hit this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Geeks.